In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make risk matrix in Power BI. By the end, you'll have a clear heat map that shows where your highest and lowest risks cluster using impact on one axis and probability on the other. First, prepare your data. You'll need a table with 3 essential columns. The first is the risk ID or name, which identifies each risk. The second is an impact score, ideally on a simple scale like 1 through 5. The third is a probability score, again on a 1 to 5 scale. Make sure impact and probability are stored as numbers, not text. In Power BI, you can check this in the data view and set the data type to whole number so your matrix sorts and aggregates correctly. Keep your scoring consistent, and if you're importing from Excel or a database, double check that there are no blanks or stray values outside your chosen scale. Now let's build the matrix. From the visualizations pane, select the matrix visual, drag impact score to the rows, drag probability score to the columns, then drag risk ID to the values area. If Power BI doesn't automatically summarize it as a count, change the aggregation to count or distinct count, depending on whether you want to count all entries or unique risks. Your grid should now display how many risks land in each combination of impact and probability. If the numbers on the axis aren't in order, sort them so they read 1 through 5, making the matrix intuitive to scan. Next, add the heat map colors. In the visualizations pane, locate your count of risk ID inside the values section, right-click it and choose conditional formatting, then background color. In the window that appears, switch to rules if needed, then click new rule to define the thresholds. Set up 3 rules exactly like this. For low risk, choose green for values greater than or equal to 0 and less than 6. For medium risk, choose yellow for values greater than or equal to 6 and less than 15. For high risk, choose red for values greater than or equal to 15 and less than or equal to 25. Click OK to apply. Your matrix now visually highlights where risk volume is concentrated, moving from green to yellow to red as counts increase. If your scoring system or dataset size is different, you can adjust those thresholds later to better fit your context. And that's it. You've prepared your data, built the matrix, and layered on color rules to spotlight low, medium, and high areas at a glance. Thanks for watching.